Hello everybody, welcome to the Chuco Cooking Show. I am your host, Chef Rulis. Today we're going to talk about sushi and about how Japanese culture made it to the borderland. It's rumored that Japanese families were among the Chinese that built the railroads, so they've been here since the late 1800s. Fort Bliss has also trained a few soldiers throughout the years, but the influx of Japanese really came with the advent of twin plants. Now they've been in existence since the 60s, and now we have over 70 Japanese companies that have set up manufacturing plants in Juarez and distribution plants here in El Paso. Most of the workers were down in Juarez, and so it's no surprise that Juarez was really the place where sushi took off. It wasn't long before the people of Juarez really took the sushi into their own and started putting toreados on it, started putting steak on it, and just really put a mark on their own. Some people will call that sacrilege, but I just think it's the evolution of Chuco Cuisine. Sushi is special to me because it was the first dish that my dad taught me how to make. My dad learned from the sushi master at this restaurant he used to frequent, and he passed on that knowledge to me. So one day when I was 15, he showed up with a bag full of ingredients, a sushi roller, and the rest is history. Let's make this dish. All right. So these are the ingredients we're going to use for our sushi roll. We need some mirin for the rice. We have avocado, pickled radish, some tuna, some salmon, some cucumber, imitation crab, nori, and of course our sushi rice. And there you go, folks. I am no sushi master, but this sushi is easy and delicious. You can follow the instructions down in the description. And please, if you learned something, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and follow me on social media. I love you guys. Peace.